Welcome to day 5 of 24 Days of Hackmas with Katie. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. Today's Hackmas is all about getting crafty with your kids. Christmas is a wonderful time to get together, play together, and make some really nice memories and to make some really nice little trinkets that can maybe go on the tree or be dotted around the house. The thing that my kids and I absolutely love doing together is joining the world of hammer beads, which are like tiny little plastic beads. I don't know if you can see, there we go. Whoa. Lots and lots of tiny different beads, all in different colours. In America, I think they're referenced as perler beads. But the hammer beads are tiny plastic beads, which basically you make designs with on a plastic little board like this, which is full of little pegs, and you dot the little plastic beads on top and make lovely little patterns. And then it's dead simple. You get the iron out, bit of grease proof on top, iron them all together, and they fuse together and make like a hardened surface, but in the design that you created. So I've got some little examples for you today. I feel like I'm on Blue Peter. Here's one I made earlier. So we made some little Christmas themed ones. We've done little like Daffy Ducks. We've done, can you tell we like Disney in this household? So we've got little minis. We've got Eeyore and Pluto. And then my favourite one, which I bring out every Christmas, is my little gonks, which I absolutely adore. And these are great because they have got a little hole in them. You can put a little bit of ribbon around, or a little bit of like wire, or fishing wire is really good because it's see-through, so then when you hang them on the tree it just looks like it's floating. That works really well. And little things like big ones like Woody and things that you can prop around the house. But it's just a little simple idea. They're not overly expensive and you just have a great time crafting and creating. So why not give it a go? I'd say loads of fun, boys and girls alike. I say my 2 boys absolutely love them. We've made Minecraft figures and all sorts, so the possibilities are just endless. So that's my tip for day 5 of my little crafty Hackmas. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Can't wait to see you there. Make sure you like and subscribe, and as I say, as always, leave a comment down below if you fancy giving me your hack of Christmas this year. See you tomorrow. Take care.